Hello, I found a bug in your library. And I thought submitted an issue, but I thought it's rather complicated, and I will try to record a video about it. So this is quite interesting library. I spent some time searching around it and found some issue with it. Let me try to explain how it looks. So if I build it, I don't know. Right, and I try to run it. Yeah, it's first looks fine, and but I somewhat modified the code. Let me show you it. So in the main loop of the event handler, here's the main loop, and that event poll from the terminal, I've added two handlers for moving the this blue window. This one is when I'm pressing dot key, and that blue window is moved to the right, and when I'm pressing comma, and that blue window is moving to the left. And it seems to work fine, yes, but there is some issue when I'm trying to but I'm not trying to individually press the button, but when I'm pressing and holding it, yeah, it crashes. The issue seemed to be with let me try to show it. It's okay. It's a terminal application, so it's rather easy to set up it like in with GDB. Not like this, but like this. Let me try to do that. GDB server. Ziga. Okay. CD here, and GDB server localhost. Same thing. Ziga this thing. Okay, and let's try to connect GDB with that application. Target remote local host. All right. So if we continue run this application, it works fine. We see that it reacting to the input, and let me try to reproduce that bug here. So I'm pressing dot button, and yeah, it's failed. And let's try to see what's happening. Let me maximize that. So backtrace, and we see that the first one was event poll, right? And the last one was some internal issues, but between them is Unicode 2 and Unicode calls. Let's show. Okay, frame backtrace frame. Yeah, let's look at the frame 9 first. Yeah, this one. The function is just dispatching depending on the number of bytes, and frame 8, it's dispatching with 2 bytes. If we inspect the value of bytes, we see that it's just 2 dots. It's not a Unicode symbol. The reason why it's happening is here in terminal. Yes, it's poll input. What's happening here? You are reading at most 16 bytes from terminal file, and you eventually try to decode it as Unicode. Event loop here sometimes cannot, it's not fast enough to handle every single input symbol, except especially when I'm pressing the button and holding it. So this will happen. Yeah, so there is that's the bug. I already have a fix for that. So there's different ways that can be fixed. For example, we can look at every single character and convert that sequence to Unicode and speed up multiple events from this function. But I don't like that solution because it's gonna require signature change not only on this function but on every function call that uses this function. What I did, it's just reading a single byte from this file. Let me try to show you. Okay, I no longer need that. Yes. I no longer need that. Okay, git checkout Unicode. What? I'm mistype. Okay. Right. So what I do is I'm trying to read a single byte from this file until I cannot. And every time I read it, I'm adding to the temporary buffer and trying to verify that it is Unicode symbol. And if it is, I'm breaking from it. And yeah, after that, I'm trying to compare it to the map. And this one is enum from int, which is with proper error handling, and this one is proper Unicode handling. So let's try to build it. Seek build. Okay, and try to run it. Zig out. Basic. So it's still reacting to the things, and still reacting to the movement of message window. Let me try to press the button. I'm pressing it now, and I'm releasing it now. Yeah, there's some issues with the buffering, maybe, but at least it's not crashing now. So it's, I think, better, at least in that sense. Okay, thank you.